Checking out the new bridge on Skillman
Taking
crossing
Buster on
LBJ.
a walk to this bridge that they just built over the 635 LBJ on Skillman Street in Dallas, Texas. It's pretty cool. Has cool lights. But I think the road could have gone without the bridge. It's just there to look pretty. Massive, massive freeway. And here's the LED lights.
Buster. Good boy, Buster.
The LED lights, they light up at night and they make it look nice. It looks really nice. Hopefully they change colors according to the time of the year. Maybe I can unplug one of these. I don't know. But it's super cool. It's cool. It made traffic flow better, of course.
Good
Anyways,
boy, Buster.
guys,
Buster.
subscribe and like. Thank you. 6-7. Did you have a good walk, boy? Did you have a good walk? You went to the bridge? Good boy, puppy.